Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can easily speed up your iPhone 16e. So first, head over to Settings and then go to General. Now here, what you need to do is disable the background app refresh. As you guys can see, now what we need to do is reduce motion in settings. So first, head over to settings, now go to accessibility and now select motion. Here what you need to do is enable reduce motion, and last but not least, what you need to do is restart your iPhone to clear RAM. And that's it. Your iPhone should run much smoother than before. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.